Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix CapCut smooth slow motion not working problem. So if you want to have a smooth slow motion video by editing your videos in CapCut, but apparently that feature is not working on your CapCut, you can try to fix it by following the steps right here. Okay, first you can just leave the CapCut app or close the app first. Then you can go to your settings on your phone. Here you can just scroll down until you find the app settings. And then just open the app settings for CapCut. So let's click on CapCut in here. So this is the app info or settings of CapCut in my phone. Now what you need to do is you need to make sure that you've already allowed all of the permissions on your CapCut apps on your device. You can click on permission, and in here you can see there's this not allowed. So I'm going to enable this or allow only while using the app. So change all of the permissions to allow. Also the notification here. So after you do that, what you need to do next is go to the storage and cache of the CapCut app and then tap on the clear cache in here. Okay, because sometimes a simple clearing up the cache can solve the app's problem or bug. So after that, you can reopen your CapCut, and then you can open your projects and see if the problem is fixed. Okay, after you do that, but if it's still not fixed, you can go back to the app info. You can try to clear on the storage of CapCut, or you can also uninstall the CapCut app first and then reinstall it again. But then don't forget to restart your phone. After that, you can open CapCut and sorry, there's so many ads. You can click on it, you can go to speed, and here you can slow it down and make sure and here you can try to have this smooth slow-mo on your videos. So that's all for me. I hope this will solve your problem. That's how you can fix CapCut smooth slow motion feature not working. I hope you find this will be helpful. So don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks and subscribe button. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.